Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer is slow lagging and hangs issue in Windows 11. First method is open File Explorer. Click 3 dots, click Options. Select this PC, uncheck all options under Privacy, click Clear, click Apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, copy text from description and paste it. Delete all files and folders. Third method is type indexing options in Windows search bar, click Indexing Options. Click Advanced, click Rebuild. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /start component cleanup space, /reset base. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /start component cleanup. Type CHKDSK space, C:\colon space, /F space, /X space, /R. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.